Okay, this is my 323i 99. Um, a grinding noise was coming from the rear. Hold on, Alexa, stop. So I had a grinding noise coming from the um, rear of the car, and I was having some problem with my shifting transmission, that automatic one. So I went ahead and I um, changed the transmission oil, which was dirty but did not solve the problem. So this is what's happening. Okay, turn it on. Of course, I have the ABS light on. This is not a big deal since the car is up. Alright, so I turn the car on. I'm gonna put the car while it's on park. I'm gonna put the car on drive. There you go. And this is the noise that is going. I have the same axle. This is on the driver side, the rear driver side. I have the axle change. I replaced the axle about 1 year ago. So I do not believe it's the axle. So I believe I have a problem with the rotors, the pads of the drums. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, take the pads and see if the noise is gonna still there. If the noise is there, it's gonna be something else. I will move to maybe my drums, but I believe the noise is coming from might be coming from the rotors. Yeah. Seems like a warp rotors maybe. Okay, alright. Let's check it out. And when I accelerate, so the revolutions and the noise are parallel. There is a symmetry between both. You go faster, the grinding noise increase lower, it goes lower. This is the, as I said, the driver's side. And this is the passenger side. Alright, let's double check. So if you come closer, you can see, I think I haven't changed. Last time I changed this my rotors was a couple of years ago. I'll say maybe like 3 years ago. Um, the pad is still fine, but I think the rotors close to time to be changed. Okay, well, pretty easy to take the rotor off and take this port, small plug, take it out. I think it's a 45, 50, and then take the 2 bolt behind for the caliper, and then extra 2 bolt for the retaining the brake pad. So it should take me about 10 minutes to do that. All right, let's go to work.